I'm gonna share with y'all a recipe that's perfect for this hot weather. It's a feta orange broccoli salad. And I've got about 8 cups of broccoli, fresh broccoli florets. So I'm going to boil them let them cook for about 2 minutes. And then I'm gonna drop them in this ice bath. So when you put it in that ice bath, it'll stop it from cooking, because it will continue to cook if you let it just sit there. And I might wrap this up in a clean dish rag just to make sure I get all the water out of it. Yeah, that broccoli's got so many little open places like a flower. It can get water all in it. All right, so while that's draining, I'm gonna mix up our dressing. And it's olive oil. And y'all know that the measurements are at the bottom of the film, right, Eddie?
It's in the link. It's
okay.
Attached.
Dijon mustard. So this is gonna be a tangy salad. 2 teaspoons of kosher salt. I think I'm gonna use the fresh. Oh shoot, that was salt. After I just said, Eddie, thank you for making.
Red is pepper.
I'd already put the salt, so I'll just use regular ground pepper. Vinegar. Orange juice. Purple onion. And purple onions are known to be very, very strong, y'all. So, you know, if you want to use a Vidalia or some kind of Texas sweet onion, you can. If the purple's a little strong for you. Some golden raisins. That's going to be delicious in there because it's going to give you that sweet bite. Sunflower seeds. And cut up sections of 2 navel oranges. Doesn't that sound delicious? Yum. I'm still gonna go get my pepper grinder. I just like the coarse brown. Y'all, I wish y'all would let me hear from y'all out there. Seems like it's been a long time since I've gotten requests from y'all. Or one of your favorite recipes. So please y'all talk to me. Let me know what y'all are doing and what's going on. So good. Now, it's a feta orange broccoli salad. If you don't like feta, I'm not a great big fan of feta. So if you aren't either, you can use blue cheese or you can use any kind of cheese you want to, really. So since I'm not a big feta fan, I think I'm gonna let people serve the feta on top of their own salad. And you know, you can always change around the ingredients if I put something in there that you're not crazy about. So I am gonna, get a clean dishcloth. We'll dry this out, and I think I'm gonna put that broccoli right back in there. And then we'll pour the dressing over it. I love the pine nuts in there. I just like a little crunchy. You know what? I'm going to use what God gave me. And that's my hands. I bought this pan, I think I found it at an estate sale. It's the best aluminum I think I've ever bought. How does that look, y'all? So now I'm just gonna,
Ooh, pretty.
isn't that pretty? I'm just gonna sprinkle some feta on top instead of mixing it in. And that way people can get as much or as little as they want. I need to call Michael in because he's been trying to watch what he eats.
Yeah, and that's healthy.
It's so good. I adore the pine nuts. It almost makes it taste like it's got bacon in it. So y'all please try that. And like I said, let me know what you want me to make or what you've been making that you just love, you and your family. And I'll share it with everybody and, of course, give you the credit. Love and best wishes, y'all. Hey, y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.